Hi everyone, my name is Jose Camilo Torres Domingue. This is Unit 3, Step 4, Understand It Negotiations. The topic is Manufacturing Contract. What is a manufacturing contract? A contract manufacturer is a company that produces goods and another business. The contract manufacturer is responsible for sourcing the raw materials and needed for production. They also provide manufacturing process to meet certain requirements such as delivery dates, quality and quantity of materials. By signing an agreement with an outside firm, you can get assistance you need to produce and sell your products. This allows you to create a product without investing in equipment, machinery, and specialist product knowledge. Key elements of manufacturing contracts. Manufacturing contracts can have considerable variations. You might sign a contract for one specific product line, or you could sign a few different agreements with various properties in a specific region. Any agreement should include aspects such as intellectual property projects, costs, responsibility of all parties, liabilities of all parties, turnaround times. Recommendation manufacturing contract. The best contract manufacturing company are more than a supply chain vendor. They recognize and treat products as if they were their own and through their operations and diligent about quality and capital. Thank you very much.